Carlon is the top of the line of boxes that you can get and use in residential applications. We've used other brands before in the past, and I would prefer not to use them at all. I try and swap them for Carlon boxes if I can.
Carlon products make my job easier. They're durable, they're very forgiving. If you make mistakes with them, the box is not ruined.
We've tried other boxes and these always perform the best, especially in the winter. They hold up better than a lot of the competition.
Carlon makes things simple. I like the multiple features that Carlon boxes offer. There's a box for every scenario on the job. We have adjustable boxes, there are old work boxes, new work boxes. So depending on the situation, Carlon offers a box that get us through the job.
My favorite feature of the Carlon products is the versatility and being able to use them in both the old work and the new work aspects.
My favorite feature of the Carlon boxes would be the boxes that telescope, the adjustable boxes, especially after you put them on a tile backsplash, you can bring them out, you don't have to put in box extensions.
The 80J boxes, which are the adjustable boxes, have been very nice to install in kitchen backsplashes. But the go-to box I would say is the B120R, which is the old work remodel boxes that we use in new homes and remodels. Yes, I would recommend the Carlon boxes to another electrician. I would tell them the usability of these boxes are unmatched to other products.
BTE is a proud user